Welcome to Vohra Method. If you're watching this video, you should have already done your free initial Vohra Method consultation, and during that consultation, we should have set up your Slack account, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to log into that and get everything going for your first class. So, we first go ahead and open up your web browser. Right now I'm using Google Chrome, and we're going to go to vohramethod.slack.com. You're going to enter the username, the email address, and the password that you used during signup. Now, of course, if you've forgotten your password, no big deal. Just click the Forgot Password link. It'll reset your password. Now, let's say you remember your password. You enter your username and password, and then let's go ahead and sign in. Now, what you'll see on the left is you'll see these two channels, announcements and a channel that has your name on it. And it should have your name, all lowercase, with an underscore in between here. Don't worry about this response needed channel. That only the instructors can see that. So you'll see these two, announcements and the channel that has your name on it. I'm going to go ahead and click on this one that has, well, in this case, Chelsea's name on it, and show you what you can do next. So first, when you come in here, all you need to do is type the word menu. And you have a few things you can do. You can add funds, reserve a class, view your reservations, cancel your reservations, should look at the upcoming schedule. I'm going to go through the process of reserving a class. So I first click Reserve a Class. I'll pick a subject. In this case, I'm going to go ahead and pick SAT, ACT, and PSAT. Now I pick an overall session. These are all 2-hour sessions, and you can pick your start time within that session in the next step. So let's say I want to come in at some point, say Saturday, June 1st. So I'm going to click 11 to 1. And let's say I want to start specifically at 11:45. That means click that. Now notice, you only pick your start time. At Vohra Method, you can stay for as much or as little time as you want, and you're charged just for the time you're here. So when I come in at 11:45, I might decide to stay till 11:46, or I might decide to stay all the way till 1 till the end of class. That's up to me, and I can change that at any time. Just like when you go to a restaurant, you don't really tell them, when you reserve a table at a restaurant, you don't tell them what time you're going to leave the restaurant. You just tell them what time you're going to start. And you might go to the restaurant and order just a snack, or you might go to the restaurant and order a 6-course meal. That's up to you. And the same thing here, it's up to you how long you stay. You can leave whenever you want, stay as long as you want, until the end of class, of course. Now, let's say that I didn't want to make a reservation. I just want to see what classes are available. When are we open? Here's what I can do. I click Show the Upcoming Schedule. And I see the next 10 available classes. Now here's the important thing. I can just show up at any of these times. And if there's room, I can do class. Now let's say there's not room, then the system will just tell you that there's not room. If you really want to be on the safe side, you reserve a class. If you're not too worried about being on the safe side, don't worry about it. And again, you're only charged for the time that you're here. If you want to cancel a reservation, that's really easy. You can just click the Cancel a Reservation button, and it'll tell you what time which sessions you have currently some time reserved. And let's say I want to get rid of the Saturday, June 1st one. I click on that, and it's gone. And that's the whole process. The key thing is just get to the channel that has your name on it, type the word menu, and follow the on-screen instructions. If you have any questions at all, please email us at learn@vohramethod.com. Listen, I know when you're first getting started with this, it can be a little confusing, a little overwhelming. Don't worry about it. You don't need to feel bad about it. We do calls, tech support type calls every week with new clients where we walk them through this process. If you think that would be helpful to you, just email me and let me know, and we'll walk you through the process, and nothing that you need to worry about. Again, our email is learn@vohramethod.com.